Hey guys, my name's Lexus More David, and I just want to tell you about the video that's going to happen right now. My best friend and I went to Veggie Grill, and I was super excited. If you don't know what Veggie Grill is, it's a vegan fast food place. My best friend and I shared a chicken burger, macaroni and cheese, and a Caesar salad with bacon. Absolutely no dairy, no meat. I was in shock with how good this place was. That chicken tastes like chicken and felt like chicken. I don't know what it was. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry about the different angles and the random, some parts you can see our face, some parts you can't. Sorry. That's the end of my stalling, so here's the video. That looks like that's you guys, this tastes like chicken. Oh my god. This is gonna be a hot mess of this. So you better fry. You wanna try it? Still not a big fan. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. She's a hater.
Oh, the sweet potato fries? Yes. Is that true? No french fries though.
Which is weird because I don't like soft fries. This is good. What would you rate it? Out of 5 stars.
I give it a 5.
5 stars?
It's vegan.
Yeah, this meat.
My expectations were so kind of low.
Really?
Yeah. It was
And you know I like it because I love the tomato in it. I feel like the taste is a lot fainter than real chicken. I wonder how someone would react if they asked, like, oh, why are you filming? Like, oh, it's a fetish website, come in person.
I'd be like, darling, go back to school. It's okay, life gets better than this.
So what do you like the most and what do you like the least?
Are you biased about anything? I don't know if it's because I'm like partially starving. Everything just tastes so good to me. Everything.
I think the one improvement they can make on the salad is changing it to the chicken instead of the bacon. That bacon is nasty.
Yeah, but it was good experimentation. This is the bacon. Did you want another bite? I think it's like the last big chunk. Nope. Just take a nibble.
There's some right there.
Just take a nibble.
I just had a piece. That's how I knew. That's why I asked. What's your least favorite? You guys, look at this. This is the fake meat. Some scientist did something. I wonder what this is.
Fried tofu?
No.
I honestly have no idea what I'm eating right now. See, these are the kind of French fries I like. I like.
Hashtag all French fries matter.
Yes. I just bit into this. And then I was like, what is that? Like a walnut? It was bacon. I had to regroup, like, wait, what is that? Well, that was good. That was pretty freaking amazing. What do you get?
Overall, I'm thinking I would give it a 5 too. That
Okay,
bacon gets
cool.
a 0.
I was about to say how long you pondered on that thought. I was like, remember that wasn't me. I give him that.
That bacon reminds me of when you go into Panda Express and there's beef and broccoli. That beef, if it was burnt, that's what it looked like.
That beef without sauce. Yeah, it looks like doggy treats.
Then again, you guys, I don't like bacon, so.
Oh, yeah, you can't even say on bacon. I forgot.
You can't strip my rights. Yeah, you guys can tell definitely that we liked it by, yeah.
By what we left.
Yeah. That's,
And we did all that on one cup of water. Look at us.
well.
Oh.
What did you say that you rate it?
Oh, 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
That's good.
Everything was except for the bacon. Don't get the bacon.
I mean, try it. If you haven't tried it, try vegan bacon.
Knock it off the bucket list.
Yeah, try it. I mean, it's an acquired taste.
Yeah, she likes bacon.
I love bacon.
I don't like bacon. And
Isn't a strong enough word. For how much I love bacon.
we were gonna get a brownie, but that mofo was like this big and my phone on us. So bye guys.
Bye.
Hey guys, my name's Lexus Moore David, and I just wanted to tell you, leave me alone. You're a hater.
I'm sorry. We're just like, getting here, we'll fix up.
Hi.
Hi. I'm leaving now.
Okay. Anyway. But you're making me nervous. Walk faster. Okay, there's people coming. There's people coming, Kate. Go. Bye. Okay, this is my act natural. All right, someone just pulled up. Since it's a Monday, I thought that people would be at work or at school or somewhere, but everybody and their mom is outside. I'm telling you, only the apartments I live in is there everybody outside. All right, yeah, see you later.